Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I am fine. What is your name?
My name is Arman Ali. Your name?
My name is Ali Kamran Akmal. Nice to meet you, Arman Ali.
Nice to meet you as well, Kamran Akmal.
How old are you?
I am 16 years old. How old are you?
I am 15 years old. What do you do?
I am studying Madrasa Islamia Mahmudiya.
What do you studying there?
I am studying the Holy Quran memorization on there.
Do you like studying the Holy Quran?
I do. I love learning the Holy Quran.
I like it too. My favorite surah is Surah Fatiha. What's your favorite surah?
My favorite surah is Surah Rahman.
How long have been studying there?
I have been studying here 2 years.
What do you like here after Quran classes?
I like to play with my friends and with the Islamic studies.
Dear Arman, now I want to use the more questions. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. I will try my best to give correct answer, inshallah Azza wa Jal.
Who is Allah?
Allah is the better of all universe, creator the human being and sun, the moon and everything of the world.
Who is the Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam?
He is the messenger and prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam of Allah. He is the highest prophet, all of prophet. He is the greatest prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam. We are all his followers, we are all from his ummah and he is our prophet Muhammad sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam.
Where was our prophet born?
He was born in Makkah Sharif, big is the city in Arabia.
When was our prophet born?
He was born 12th Rabiul Awwal at 20 April in 571 Isri.
What is the name of prophet parents?
Our prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, father's name is Hazrat Abdullah and mother's name is Hazrat Amna radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma.
How many years did our holy prophet still live in this world?
Our holy prophet lived in the world 63 years on with 53 years. Was spent in Makkah Sharif and 10 years in Madinah Munawwara. Dear Kaman Akmal, please tell me about your school.
My school name is Madrasa Islamia Mahmudiya. There are 9 talented and experienced teachers and 125 students. Our teachers, it is the Holy Quran, Arabic, Urdu, Hindi, Math, Science, GK English, Social Science, Computer, and more other subjects. Muhammad Mahmood Sahib Qibla is founder of our institute. Now this Islamic is going under the guidance Khalifa Gulzar Millat Hazrat Alama Maulana Muhammad Rahmat Ali Miswai Sahib Qibla.
Thank you.